In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a duotone effect in Canva. If you've ever wanted to give your photos a bold, modern look using just two colors, you're in the right place. Duotone is a simple effect that instantly transforms an ordinary image into something stylish and eye-catching, perfect for social posts, banners, and thumbnails. Start by opening Canva and the design you want to work on. You can use an existing project or open a new one you've already set up. The key is to have your canvas ready so you can see changes in real time as you work. Next, add your image to the design. You can upload a photo from your device or choose one directly from Canva's photo library. If you're uploading, give it a moment to process, then drag it onto your canvas. High-contrast photos tend to look especially striking with duotone, but any clear, well-lit image will work nicely. Click on the photo to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around the image. This tells Canva you want to edit that specific element, not the background or any text layers. Now, click Edit Image. You'll find this option in the top toolbar when your photo is highlighted. This opens the editing panel, where all the effects and adjustments live, so you can focus on the creative part without hunting around. In the Edit Image panel, look for Duotone. You can scroll down the list of effects until you see it, or type Duotone into the search bar within the panel to jump straight there. Once you see Duotone, click it to open the available presets. Choose a Duotone preset you like. Each preset applies a distinct two-color treatment to your photo, instantly changing its mood and style. Try a few to see how they affect different parts of your image. Skin tones, shadows, and highlights will shift in interesting ways. This is a great moment to think about your brand or project theme and pick a preset that complements it. When you're happy with the look, click Apply. This confirms your choice and keeps the duotone effect on the photo. If you decide to compare later, you can always reselect the image and revisit Edit Image to explore other presets. For now, the effect is locked in and ready to use across your design. And that's it. You've created a clean, professional duotone effect in Canva with just a few clicks. Try it on different images to see what stands out best for your style.